We are sitting in my room. There's a humidifier is in here. There is a baby who is very, very sick. And we're just chilling out in here for a while. She's supposed to be laying down, way down. Aw, but they're playing. Do you want to chew on the camera? Is that what you're doing? Say hello. Hi. Aw, buddy. That's no good. That's no good. The phone won't work. Is there little toes down here? Just look at his little toes. Stupid phone. Stupid phone. I don't even know what's wrong. It worked this morning when I called the people to tell them I can't come into work. And I called the sitter and I told her he will not be coming over today. Maybe just suck the nose out real quick. Oh, we got something. Oh, I gotta put the camera down and do this. There you go. Okay. Please be still. Oh, we got some booger. Oh, there's some more. Yay! We're just getting it out. Ooh, there's a lot on that side. Oh, there's a runny nose now. Say, ooh. Yuck. I need a booger cleaner upper. You got it all over your face. I'm sorry, buddy. There's a good one. Yeah. There's a good one. There's another good one in there. Aw, just sucked it back in. Aw. Here, I'll use this blanket. It's a little lighter. Do you want mommy to pick you up? Come here. Today, I got him to the point where he was smiling and laughing with me when I did it. And I was getting stuff out. Say hello, camera. It's a very angry baby. You're looking at the camera. You know where your audience is, don't you? He's an angry baby. Look at you throwing your arms around. Do it angry. Do it angry. Yeah. What's my angry baby doing? What is it? It's like a toy, huh? I can't believe how much we got out of your nose. I am impressed. This is yucky, I know. Yeah, we're going to take a bath tonight, so it's not a big deal. Who's getting a little bath? My room is a messy mess. Oh look, you can see us in the mirror. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, okay. Whoa. Yeah. Do you roll your arms? Roll your arms. You're doing it. But he's chewing on one arm, so it's kind of hard, huh? Can I pat your back and rub everything out or try? Ooh, kitchen cheeks are jiggling. Oh, yeah. Yeah, roll your arms. Roll your arms. You trying. Wave your arms. Ah, he's lifting a little baby. Oops. 5:45. Let's try cleaning you out some more. Bye, camera. Oh, what's he doing? Arrgh. Say no thank you. I'm eating my hand since you won't feed me, but thank you. Oh, there's a growl. Ah! He's gonna pick you up a little. Ah, there we go. Ah! Ah, yeah. You wanna lean forward? Ah! You're trying so hard to stand up. And I let you fall back. Oh, he's laying down again. Give me hands. Give me a hand and I'll pull you back up, buddy. Oh, I should pat your back. We need a little table to set the camera on so they can see your cuteness and I can hold you. You just say it. Just say it. Punch it. Caesar, roll your arms. Roll your arm. He's trying to. He's trying. There we go. You did it. I saw you. I need to sit you up more. There we go. There's some cuteness pictures. There we go. Roll your arms. Ah! That was amazing. You pull yourself up. Or you bounced yourself up. What? Hey! You screeching at me? Are you screeching at me? Oh. There you go. And up. And down. And up. And down. Ah, that's my baby. Oh, that's not a smart thing to do when you're throwing up mucus all the time. Yeah.